Let's start with a simple question. What is demand planning? At its core, demand planning is the process of estimating future customer demand for product or service so the businesses can make the right decisions today. Let me explain this with the help of an example. Imagine you're in the business of selling cookies, and let's assume it takes 4 weeks to produce those cookies. Now, if you want to meet customer demand successfully, you cannot wait until the orders arrive from the customers. You need to know today itself how many cookies are customers likely to need 4 weeks from now. If you have that visibility, you can procure the raw materials in advance, you can set up the production schedules, align people and resources, and ensure that in 4 weeks' time, you have the right quantity of cookies produced and ready to be shipped. This process by which businesses estimate the future demand is called demand planning. The demand planning function produces a forecast for the future demand of products and services, and based on this forecast, businesses can take some very important decisions today, such as how much to produce, how much to buy, how much inventory to hold, and how much capacity is needed across the supply chain. The key idea here is that demand planning exists because demand and supply do not naturally align on their own. Customers usually behave in an unpredictable way. They may want products at different times in different quantities with different variants, and sometimes on a very little notice. Supply and production, on the other hand, need discipline, structure, and planning. For example, factories need lead time to produce the products, suppliers need some forecast about how much raw material are we going to be buying from them, warehouses need a space, and so on. So demand planning sits right in the middle between the customers and the supply side of the business. Its role is to translate the uncertain customer demand into actionable numbers that the production, procurement, and various other functions of the business can work with. So if I had to summarize demand planning in one line, it would be this: that demand planning reduces uncertainty so the business can plan with confidence.